to make money using Pinterest.com to promote your affiliate marketing links. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you a method to promote your affiliate links on Pinterest.com. And in this today video, we're going to choose a new niche, which is the niche of home improvement and DIY. So let's click enter, and here we can look for some viral posts. As you can see, we can find some viral posts on Pinterest that we can repost in our account and add the link or our affiliate link to a product from the same niche. And if anyone clicks on that link and purchases something in the 24 hours of clicking that link, we will get our commission. So let's get started, guys, and let's look for a good post or a good product. And if you can't find any good posts in Pinterest, you can always go to TikTok and pick some viral videos and use them in your Pinterest account. So let's go and type in our niche. And let's look for some good videos, viral ones that we can repost in our Pinterest. So you don't even need to find some videos that are linked to the product that you're going to pick. You just need a video that are going to get people's attention. So let's search for a good video. So this one is 16 million views. Let's see this one.
The lesson today is to do it yourself, regardless what other people have to say. This is our 9-time paddling, and we've gotten better every time. But I still can't believe that's how lovely the spacers work. The bottom of the spacer stays under the towel. I have such a fun time removing him. We gave the towel a good wipe down, and then we immediately started grabbing.
So this is a good video.
Better match the towel, and we always use the pre-mix grab.
Let's copy its link. Copy the link. Then we go to a platform called or a website called Snaptik up, and here we paste our link and download. Then we can download the video. As you can see, it's been downloaded. So while it's being downloaded, let's search for a product that we can promote in this niche. So let's search for a product. Let's just leave it as home improvement, or we can just, without even typing anything, we can just go to the main page, and this is the kitchen favorites. We can check the kitchen favorites, or we can go to all, and here we can select by categories: smart home, art and crafts, baby, beauty, men's, health, luggage, toys and games, tools and home improvement. We choose this one. Let's choose tools and home improvement, or building supplies or appliances, kitchen and bath fixes. Let's go with tools and home improvement. So this is some best sellers. As you can see, Every Drop by Whirlpool Ice and Water. I don't know what that is. So let's just pick a product like this one and make sure it's on a good price, so our margins or our commission will be a good one. And then we will go to the text and get the link that will take us back to this page, as you can see. So we go to text and take this link, copy, and go to Pinterest, go to create idea pin, so we wait for it to be, then we hit create new, we drop this video here, the video that we downloaded from TikTok, and then we give it a title. So you can give it a title of your choosing. So this is just an example. Home improvement. If you have a description, you can leave it here, and this is the place where we can leave our link. And make sure, guys, to select as much tags as you can, because that's gonna make the video more viral, and it's going to recommend it to more people, even the people that are not interested in this niche. So for example, let's write home, and let's see what are the niches that it's going to recommend. So as you can see, home office, home interior design, homecoming, home organization ideas. Let's type again home, and let's see, home theater design, home accents, home office, home hacks. You just select a lot of tags, because that's going to help the video go viral. Gadgets, new gadgets, home renovation, basically everything related to home and home improvement, and all the tags that are viral in the moment. Then you hit publish, and then your post will be uploaded to the platform, and you can see it from your account. So this is the post. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.